Hi, my name is Silvia Chalin, and this is my second partial of my course Diseño del Aula Interactiva. Today, I'm going to talk about a little bit how to set up a classroom in any place, taken from my living room. So I'm gonna start showing my living room. This is the first part of my test. So this is my living room. As you can see, there is a place. It isn't a large place. It is a kind of small, but I think it can be useful for a classroom. So now I'm gonna talk about it. Okay, and this is my living room. It doesn't have a lot of furniture because I wanted to have place to think about where can I put chairs and tables and some furniture for my classroom. Maybe it has not a good shape to have a classroom in there. However, I can create a small one just if I have a few students. I thought in this classroom will be a kind of 10 to 12 students, and I can add some computers and also choose my topology. So this is the first part. And as you can see, it has a lot of windows, and when it's sunny, there is too much hot. So that's why I think I need some curtains to help the natural lighting, because there are a lot of windows. In my living room, there are just 3 lamps because of the window, so there is it isn't necessary to have a lot of lamps. But when we need some times to share, for example, a screen in the smart board, so we need to close the windows with curtains, so that's why we need the lamps too. But with the 3 lamps, I think it's okay. The thing is that I just need more plugs to connect to computers or my devices that I'm going to use, because there are just 2 plugs in my living room. There is one here and there is another one here. So that's why I need more plugs, because I just have 2. That's why I need more plugs if I want to connect computers or the air conditioners, because I think I know there are a lot of windows, but when it's raining or something like that, we can't open the window, so we need some air conditioner. In the second part, I'm going to talk about a little bit my topology and my plan of the electricity. And also in this picture, you see a smart board, the air conditioner, the laptop or a computer for the teacher, because it's necessary for the teacher to have a resource like that. And in the second part, I'm going to talk a little bit about some furniture and the materials or the furniture that this classroom is going to have. Well, and I want to start with this part. Here I place a smart board because I don't have too much space. So I don't need to have a smart TV, for example. So I need a smart board and the interactive tool as well. So in the smart board, I'm gonna have the resource to project content from my computer, and also students could write some or do some different activities using the board. I need curtains, of course, for my windows, more plugs to connect some devices, and also I need an air conditioner because my living room is in the second floor. So as I said before, when it's really sunny, the sun is so hard and it's very hot in this place. So that's why I need an air conditioner and also curtains. It doesn't have enough sources of lights. I mean, I need more plugs, air conditioner, and a better structure of the electricity. Because as you can see, there is just one plug, two plugs. And if I want to have a better classroom, I need more plugs. And students, I think students will feel comfortable because they are in a good place. But I need the curtains. I know I need the curtains because they can be distract themselves because of the windows. And with the space, as I said before, there is just for kind of 10 to 12 students, so I need rounded tables and chairs instead of desks. I need the curtains because there is too much natural light, and I need to cover a little just in case I have a student with visual problems. That's why I need to help students in case they have visual problems. So there is too much light, and I need my students to feel comfortable and very attentive with their situations that they have. So I need to cover these places and pay attention to the needs of my students. And for this classroom, or for this space, I'll need iPads because as you can see, it is in a large place, it is small, so I'll need iPads. And the best topology for me to apply in this place, in this space, that will be the star topology because I don't have enough space to use computers, so I'm going to be using iPads. That's something fantastic because I'm going to connect without cables or another kind of things. And here will be the laptop for the teacher near to the smart board, in a small place too because it is in a large place. So in this space will be the stations for the iPads, so they're will be connected, and students could take them when it's going to be necessary. And here I'll place the tables, the rounded tables and chairs in this place, and in this one too. So here is going to be my classroom. I'm so excited about it. I never thought on it, but now I'm analyzing it and it sounds very good for me, and I want to do it. I want to have my classroom in here. I just need to fix some things, and I think it will work. As a conclusion, it's really necessary to have a classroom, an interactive classroom, because as a teacher, you can do anything that you want with your students. You just need to take in account the best resources, the best topology for you, and also the furniture that you will need. So I was so happy doing this test. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.